Chris from Kilda May. We just played on the Jägermeister stage.
And we're at Heavy 2011. We're in a wildlife park. If Hilda May was an animal, what would it be?
I reckon probably a tiger or a bear or something, I suppose.
That's good. Nobody said tiger or bear yet. My favourite so far is a sea turtle.
Meerkat, they're quite interesting.
Yes, they are. The enigmatic feline of the animal kingdom.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
And so, what's next for you guys? Because I mean, like, you were #1 on Scuzz, like on the charts, and things are really sort of going off for you guys right now.
Yeah, I mean, we've been really lucky. We've got good management behind us. Yeah, we were chuffed about the Scuzz thing. Absolutely made up about it. I suppose next is we're writing really for the album. The EP's out September the 5th as well, under Wolf at Your Door. So we're hyped to get that out there because there's just so much that's sort of gone into it, and we're all just like, God, just get it out, we just want people to hear it now. So really excited for that, and hopefully just more tours. I had a great few days hanging out with the boys from Polar and Feed the Rhino, like just a great group of guys, like it's brilliant. So.
There seems to be some sort of weird sort of gang mentality, like between you guys, Polar, Bastions, Hang the Bastard, TLC. Like there seems to be something in the water at the moment for British bands.
They're all just really nice guys. Like so not a lot of bands, but some people like they're in a band and they think swagger around,
rock stars.
Yeah, but they're just down to earth, just brilliant guys, really. So I think that's why we still get on really well. So awesome.